Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CheKesha Sims, and I am back with a plan with me. I know it's been months since I've done a plan with me, but I kind of was testing the waters with some other things and also preparing for 2020. But I am happy to inform you all that I will still be using my Hobonichi weeks. Now, I will be using her a little bit differently. And then if you want to see and hear how I'm going to be using her, as well as see me plan for the week of December the 30th through January the 5th, keep watching. Okay, so how am I going to be using my Hobonichi weeks on top of all the other planners that I have? So I don't have anything that is specific to YouTube and content creation. And also I don't have anything right now where I can actually decorate cute like I love to do, other than my Hobonichi. So because of content creation and YouTube ideas, I don't need a lot of writing space and I can go overboard with the deco. I decided to keep my Hobonichi for that purpose. Now, here's the thing. My Hobonichi does not end until March, but I've been on the fence about getting a new one starting in January, and some of you have been encouraging me to get one, so I did decide at the last minute to go ahead and get one that starts January 1, 2020. However, I don't have her yet, so I will be planning still in the spring edition planner. So once I get my new one, I will do the whole setup thing with you all and zhuzh it out. You know how I do. But this is still what I've been using, this cream color with the white strip, and this has that vinyl type feel. So let's go ahead and get to planning. I'm going to go ahead and start decorating, and I'll probably do a voiceover just to kind of fill you in on what's going on with me for 2020 and my YouTube channel. All right, so let's go ahead and dive straight in. So this is a printable Hobonichi. Wow, I haven't said that in a while. Hobonichi kit from Design Lovely Studios, and I am using some gold foil date dots from Planning City. And I didn't realize that I didn't have enough dates, but I do have backups in my handy dandy photo album that I use to store all of my stickers. Now, I do want to apologize in advance. I am still dealing with the remnants of my flu that I had, but I am still feeling well. It's just that extra little cough kind of thing. So if I cough, I apologize in advance, or if I clear my throat. So as I lay my stickers, let's go into 2020. So 2020, I am so excited about the direction in which my YouTube channel is going to go. I am going to have a variety of content. It's not just going to be planner related. There's going to be some faith-based videos. I'm hoping to incorporate more vlogs with my husband, and just doing real life things. You know, planning is a part of my real life. Laying stickers is a part of my real life. Doing ministry is a part of my real life. And doing life with my husband is a part of my real life. And I want this channel to be able to reflect who I am as a person. That is the reason why I changed my channel name from Her Lovely Plan to CheKesha Sims, because all of that is a part of who I am. So with that being said, you'll still see planner related videos. I still do videos where I am doing plan with me's with stickers. I'm really in love with the whole minimalist planning style, so you'll see planning videos with that. But you'll also be getting some more videos that will help grow your faith. As most of you know, Lisa Mack from Planning and Praying and myself, we do monthly scripture writing and reading plans. And I really want to be able to incorporate that part of who I am, which is the biggest part, into my YouTube channel. And I know a lot of you that are my subscribers, y'all are faith-based people. So I really pray that what it is that God is telling me to share on here, that it will help touch your spirit, help you get a little bit closer with God, and just show you how to just be in relationship with God. This is a lifestyle channel for me, and a part of that is I want to be able to be transparent and share what I have going on in my real life. And if y'all follow me, if y'all been following me and subscribed to me for a while, y'all already know that I'm pretty much, how you see it is how you get it. I don't hold anything back. So that's the direction of 2020. 2019, I had a lot of growing. I got to learn a lot of things. I've experienced ups and downs. I've experienced, good and bad. And that's all a part of the birthing process. When you are birthing something that God has given you to bring on this earth, you're going to go through those labor pains. You're going to go through those, times where you just don't feel good and you just don't want to be present. Or you're going to go through those times where you want to be seen all the time, to let people know that you're okay. You're going to go through those times where you just feels like all of this is in vain. Why am I doing this? It's just too much to deal with. But it's all for a purpose. It's so you can birth something greater. And I went through everything that I went through so I could birth something greater inside of me, so I can also be able to give something greater to you all. I'm a true believer that when you do things, it should be twofold. It should not just be a blessing to those that are receiving it, but it also should be a blessing to the person that is putting forth the effort to put those things out. And when it becomes a burden, that's when it's time for you to step back and reevaluate and make sure that you're doing this for the purpose of a greater good and not the purpose of selfishness. A lot of times we get caught up in that, self-care is all about me. But you have to remember that sometimes that all about me attitude can negatively affect other people. And I don't ever want what I do to negatively affect anyone. I always wanted to bring positivity and light to the situation. So that's where 2020 is going for me with my YouTube channel. I hope y'all continue to support me, watch, share my channel, because I truly believe that it's something on this channel for everybody. I'm looking forward to sharing more testimonials, devotionals, inspirational things. I'm just excited about everything that God is telling me to go forth and do with CheKesha Sims YouTube channel. All right, so back to business at hand, this planner spread. So I have truly missed using my stickers. Even though most of my planners that I will be using in 2020 have more of a minimalist feel to them, I still am that girl that loves stickers. I have so many sticker kits, so many Hobonichi sticker kits. It's ridiculous, and I want to be able to use them all. And it's like right now I'm trying to figure out, do I need to just create a planner just so I can use some of these sticker kits? That's where I'm at with that. But I'm excited that I still have my Hobonichi right now, where I can make it functional but also make it decorative. And that's pretty much how I started this channel. I am a true decorative planner through and through, but as my life has changed and my business has grown, I need a little more business or grown-up planners to be able to take with me when I'm out doing business. But that don't make me brand new. It just means that you have to level the level. You got to level up. You know what I'm saying? I can't go into a business meeting and having all these little stickers all over the place. You just have to know your surroundings, know your audience. You know what I'm saying? That's just like, you're not going to go around a group of kids and offer them coffee. No, you're going to give them soda or juice. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, my analogies always be crazy. But anyway, so this kit right here, let me tell you about this kit. So I went on Etsy looking for something totally different, and this came up, and I'm so glad that I found this shop. I haven't went through her whole shop page yet, but just looking at this kit, I love it. I absolutely love it. And it's going to work for me. I really want to get more of these kits from her shop, but I have so many Hobonichi kits right now that I need to go through. I'm going to chill for a second. But being that she's a printable shop, I can always download them and print them at a later time. So now I'm using these super cute YouTube bit stickers from my girl, Elaine Michelle. I love bits. I need to actually order more of these. And now she's offering her bit stickers on clear paper. So that way, like me, I don't like a lot of the white backing on when I'm doing layering for my stickers. So I was super excited when she relaunched her sticker shop on her website, and she started offering these clear bit stickers. So if y'all haven't checked out Elaine Michelle Studio Shop, do so. I do have a link down in the description box that will give you a discount to her shop. So now what I'm doing is looking through my little social media stickers that I have set aside, because I want to track my Instagram followers and track my subscribers. I decided to use these script stickers that I made, along with these icon stickers that I got from, I believe it's Scribble Sticker Co. Yeah, Scribble Sticker Co. So these are super cute. They're very, very small, and they work perfectly inside this Hobonichi. So let me go ahead and clean up so I can wrap up this video. All right, love, so I am finished my spread in my Hobonichi weeks, and I feel so good and so excited about this layout. I was kind of uncertain if I still had, you know, my groove with this, because it's been since November the 18th since I planned in this. And I know sticker laying and stuff is kind of like they say, it's like, you know, riding a bike, you never forget it. But you know how that is. You get on the bike, you do start shaking, you might fall off, but you get back on. I thought it was going to be like that, but it turned out phenomenal. I don't know if it's just because that kit just had so much to offer, or whether or not I just missed planning in my Hobonichi weeks. But anyway, I'm excited to be using it to be my YouTube and content creating planner. It's going to be very functional. It's going to allow me to track things, write down, you know, video ideas and things like that. I really feel like I want to rip this out and put it in the new Hobonichi once it comes. I don't know. But I might not have to do that, because this cover that I got at the Planning a Better Me retreat is big enough to actually keep both of these planners in there. So I don't know. I might keep them both in there for a while. We'll see. It depends on when I actually get the new Hobonichi, in which I did order from JetPens, and JetPens is pretty fast with getting their things out. So I probably will have it in time to plan probably for the week of the 13th, because if I get it over the weekend, I don't think I'm gonna get it over the weekend, especially with Wednesday being on a holiday. But anyway, y'all keep your fingers crossed, send a prayer that I get it this weekend. That way I can plan in it for the week of January 6th through the 12th. But anyway, with all that being said, I'm excited about this spread. I hope you guys liked it, and I'm feeling so happy and excited about this spread. And because we're about to go into a new decade, I'm feeling like I want to do a giveaway. So I've been destashing and going through some things, and I have a stack. Let me see if I can zoom out. I have like a stack of stickers. It's sticker kits, some Hobonichi kits in here that I want to give away to one of my lucky subscribers. So all you have to do is click the link down in the description box for Gleam. That's the giveaway app or website that I use, and you just have to follow a few instructions. You have to be subscribed to my channel and also be following me on my Instagram page, and I will be checking. So if your name is drawn and you're not subscribed or following me, you will automatically be disqualified. So make sure you go in the description box, find the link so you can enter the giveaway for this grab bag of stickers. I'm sure you're gonna love them. And then also share this with your friends so they can also get an opportunity to win some stickers. I mean, if you like a little bit of competition, you know, you can share. But if you want the odds to be in your favor, maybe you don't want to share it. I don't know. but share it just because I said so. But anyway, so this is my spread. The link will be below. Also, make sure you check out my description box because I have a lot of links for discounts for different shops, and I also have an Amazon storefront that has a lot of the things that I use as far as equipment, stickers, planning accessories, paper, pens, anything you see me use or mention, it is on my Amazon storefront. So I'm gonna go ahead and close. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my stickers because I haven't done that in a while. And again, subscribe, click that notification bell, thumbs up, drop me a comment, and enter the giveaway. So until next time, loves, peace.